Yesterday here was quite a big waterfall over the cliff whole day from midnight to midnight for 24 hours, and in the evening it was raining as well, so I didn't do any works in the garden. With the water dripping over the cliff, these leaves have been shredded a bit. These leaves, the water dripping constantly in the same spot. It was actually a lot of water, not just dripping. And inside the cave as well, it was inundation. But these are good. I cut them down like this, I think 3 weeks ago, no more, not even a month. And look how fast they have grown, very fast. So, as here was also quite a lot of water coming, everywhere dripping, I preferred not to move in and out with my works here. And the floor of a cave was inundated as well, twice. Once in the morning, and when it went away, the water, and when it came back in the evening, maybe because of heavy rain up in the mountains, with the levadas, it began in the evening flowing strongly again. And I talked yesterday with a neighbor and found some information that that's correct, that levadas are diverted from time to time from one location to another to divide the water, to share the water, so that might be the reason why this water is coming over the cliff with such intervals. Meanwhile, the promotional link which I have written over the videos to my page on my website about magic, I must mention that magic has different notation for people, and in my sense the magic, as I already mentioned in one of the videos, is just the things which science can't explain. It's not trickery, it's not some voodoo or witchcraft or stuff like that. It's nothing about that. It's the thing which you could best understand from my very first book. If you look at the link, I published a book in 1997 and translated into English in 1998, but now it's available for free on my website. So on the page Magic I added also the link to my book, so you can read it and then you understand better what I mean about magic. So don't assume anything, don't have assumptions before you have read the book, because most likely you have never heard about things which I wrote about in my book. How much it makes now? Almost 30 years ago. So even now not many people know about that, because immediately someone says magic, people already have an idea which may be wrong. Everything in the world is physics, everything is science. And if science can't explain something yet, I call it magic, because we don't know how it works. but it does.